Now, this Delian League is unsurpassed among the few international organizations there are in the Greek world. It was enormously efficient because you had a leader who was designated and interested and deeply involved. You had an organ for making decisions. I haven't mentioned it, but there was what they called the Synod of the League. It's the Council of League in which there are representatives from every state, and it can make all the decisions that have to be made in that one place. Unlike these other places, it has its own money and its own forces, which are assigned to it by the Constitution. All of these things make that a much more effective league, able to do what it has to do without any great difficulty in the decision-making process. And to make that a little clearer, I need to tell you another thing. In the Synod, the arrangement was one state, one vote. So Athens was one member of that Synod. Athens, which had the lion's share of the power, had only one vote. So how could the Athenians have their way, you may ask? But the way it really worked was, because Athens had all of this prestige and all of this power, it meant all of the very small, powerless states huddled under the wings of the Athenians and could be counted on to deliver the right sort of vote, to do what the Athenians told them. Whereas, supposing they had used something like proportional representation, given the Athenians X number of votes, a lot of votes, but they would have had to give Thasos and, I don't mean Thasos, but Thasos too, but Samos, Chios, Lesbos, all these big towns and islands, numerous votes as well, and they would certainly have been more votes than the Athenians had. They could have outvoted them, the Athenians, if they got together. Under this one state, one vote rule, that's impossible. We never hear of any trouble passing whatever the Athenians want in the assembly. There's just no check on their doing what they want in a constitutional